Oh, this Razer keyboard looks so good. Oh, it's blue! It's blue! Oh my god! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! It's purple! It's purple! Yeah! Yeah! It's pink! It's pink! Oh my god! Can I use two hands? Yes, I can! Oh! It's red! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's yellow! Wait, now it's green! Oh my god! It was so fast! The colors are changing way too fast! Oh my god! Keep going! Keep changing colors! Oh my god! It's blue again! Woo! Oh snap! I didn't see you guys there. What is up, guys? It's your boy Mike or Shock here, coming at you with a brand new video. Today's video is going to be a Razer Black Widow Chroma unboxing video. Shout out to Best Buy for hooking it up with $30 off. I appreciate that, and I love you. If you guys want to know what I'm drinking at the moment, it's some drink from Panda Express. I'm not going to tell you what it is because it's a secret and it's fucking fire. Yeah, but I went to Panda Express. I came back to my house and I was like, I'm going to make this video for you guys. So I'm here making this video for you guys right now. And you know what? Here is the Razer Black Widow Chroma. Doesn't it look fantastic? It's brand new and it's fucking dirty, right? No, I'm just kidding. This is not the keyboard. This is my old keyboard. It lights up green and I got the freaking chroma, so it's gonna light up different colors. So I'm excited for that. So yeah, this is my old keyboard. I might give it away. I might sell it. I don't know. We'll see. I've used this keyboard for a while. My brothers used the keyboard for a while. So I don't know. I'll see what I want to do with it. I'm gonna throw it on my bed. Fuck you. All right. And here, this is what you guys have all been waiting for. Dun 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 dun. My baby. Like, I can deadass jack off to this. I can jack off to it. So yeah, here's my baby. I actually like tried opening it, and like a retard, like I got a cut on my finger. I don't know. I'm retarded. Yeah, so I'm kind of bleeding, so I'm gonna go dab it on that like napkin. So here is the keyboard, alright? You know, I already like pretty much, I didn't open it, but I did like take off the I did rip the tape. So here, hold on, I have to pull it out this way. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. Dun 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 dun. Oh shit. Oh snap! This is the wait, yeah, it's the keyboard. Dude, I thought it was like a display picture. But here is the Razer Black Widow Chroma. Yeah, it's gonna light up different colors, and I'm probably gonna get an Insta boner out of it. So yeah, here's the keyboard. I'm gonna take it out. Dun, 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 dun. Shit, I ripped part of the box. No. Oh snap. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna do this. Hold on. Actually, like, hold on. I'm gonna turn it this way. Put it down. I gotta get the wire. How the dude? What is this? Okay, I'm getting the wire. How the fuck do you do this? Okay. Oh, that's how you do it. Dude, I'm so dumb. All right. So here's the wire. Throw the box on the floor. Throw this box. I was about to say blocks on the floor. Alright. So, here is the keyboard. Doesn't it look fantastic? Let me take off the cover. Oh my god. Holy shit. I can't wait to lick all the keys with my freaking tongue. Oh my god. But yeah, here is the keyboard. The babe. Babe is finally home. where it belongs. I'm gonna call it the shock keyboard, because it is gonna shock people because all the colors are so majestic and magical. Oh my god. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and connect it for you guys, and I'll be back in a second showing you guys all the colors and all the good stuff. So I'll be back. Alright guys, I am back. As you can see, I connected my Razer Black Widow Chroma keyboard. It's changing different colors right now, and I'm actually gonna see if I could only make it light up in one color, because I like blue. So if I were to have just blue, that would be fantastic, because as you guys can see right here, my mouse is actually just blue, and it just, you know, the bottom part keeps, you know, doing this, and the top part just stays blue. So I'm gonna see if I can do that with this keyboard. I'm gonna have some fun with this. I love this keyboard. Thanks to my friend for telling me to get it at Best Buy. I went right away to get it once my mom came home, and you know, I bought it. Shout out to Best Buy, like I said at the beginning of this video, for the $30 off. I appreciate that. But yeah, that's gonna do it for the video, guys. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.